Yeah. If you guys are just tuning in to things, we just had live coverage of the YSL trial. It's really heating up now. There's a lot going on with the coverage. We're just going through the motions, man, and seeing how this is gonna turn out. But I gotta tell you guys, this is a long way from being over. This trial is really just begun. Now, the whole time that we've been watching it, it's really just begun just now. Um, so you got to tune in, and stay abreast of what's happening, and we're gonna keep covering it. We're gonna keep covering it, and going through the motions of the trial, and yeah, it we're gonna keep covering it, going through the motions of it, and I gotta tell you, man, it is definitely heating up, and bringing us to a lot of understanding about how the system works. How people can run over the trial, the system, and you'll see, because obviously you can see that obviously you can see that Jeff Williams, Young Thug, was he was faced with a lot of challenges with this, and they really don't have much evidence actually against him. They really don't have much evidence against him. It's really just something where they're just really prosecuting him, um, you know, uh, based upon what happened earlier. So we're gonna tune into it and keep going and let you guys know, the truth about what happened in the matter. While we waiting for the court, to come back, and they probably getting very close to wrapping it up for the day. That's what they do when they get this close. Start postponing things, and a lot of sidebars, chambering, and before you know it, they're going for the day because it's almost 4 o'clock. But I wanna go back into um, the earlier segments of the trial. Okay, and I want to pull up the early testimony, the early testimony. So I want to just go back here. I want to go back here for a moment and tune into something. Just while we're waiting, for the court to come
Got
back
objection
in, I
resealing.
wanna,
Counsel's given and it's got PI in it.
really, I want to really go into the actual testimony.
That evening. Just the 17th. Does anybody have any objection to the court sealing that particular exhibit? Anything? Okay. All right. Okay. Just so you all know. All right. Okay. Can we bring back in Mr. Arnold, please? Mr. Copeland, I should say. Mr. Copeland. Okay. Ms. Bumpus, good afternoon, madam. Again. Okay, did you have an opportunity to talk with your client, Mr. Copeland? Yes, you can. Go ahead.
Yes, and I got him to sign a written consent discharging me. I filed a motion to withdraw and I proposed an order.
Okay, can I see it, please?
May I approach?
You can. Okay, I'll mark this as the next court's exhibit in order. Do you have a formal order that you're going to prepare with the style of the case and the case number?
Yes, Judge, that's just his signature. I prepared an order and I filed a motion with the clerk's office. I'm waiting on a file stamp.
All right, okay. Mr. Copeland, let me hand you. This document, did you read and sign that document?
Yes.
All right. Did you have an opportunity to talk with Ms. Bumpus, your satisfaction about pros and cons of her withdrawing as your counsel in this case?
Yes.
Do you wish for her to go ahead and withdraw as counsel?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Let me have that back in mind. Okay, I'll mark this as the next court exhibit in order, madam. We got it. We'll just mark it as the next court exhibit in order. Do you need a copy of it to file with your? Because it'll be made part of the record. But do you need a copy of it?
No, Judge.
Okay. All right. All right. So I will go ahead and authorize you to withdraw as his counsel in this matter. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I'm excused.
Not quite yet. Madam, as a result, I'm going to also have you appear on the 25th of June. I have filed an order to show cause, and I'm going to give you a copy of it. You can read it, acknowledge it, just that you received a copy of it, and we'll see you on the 25th of June at 9:30 in courtroom 1C.
All right.
So you need to be here for that day, okay?
Okay.
All right. We'll see you then. Are all jurors present, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Summon our jurors, please. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. All right, Ms. Hilton, you may continue, madam. You may be ready.
Thank you, Josh. Good afternoon, Mr. Copeland. When we left, I believe that I'm showing you what's been marked as Exhibit 373 Yankee. Looking at what's in front of you as 373 Yankee and what's on the screen, does that appear to be the same image that's in front of you?
It looked the same.
Okay, and is the image on the screen clearer for you than the image that's in front of you?
No, they look the same.
Okay, if I enlarge it, are you able to tell who's in the picture in 373 Yankee by me enlarging the picture on the screen?
No.
No. Now showing you 344 Yankee.
Which one it is?
Is this 348 Yankee, my apologies. Is that 348 Yankee in front of you?
You already showed me that one.
Okay, and before I think you said it was blurry as well.
No, I answered you.
For this one. I want to admit if I haven't, thank you so much for correcting that 348 Yankee is in that. You're like, and then 348 Yankee is that.
Any objection to states 348 Yankee? All right, states 348 Yankee is admitted. It's already been. I thought it was admitted already.
It could have been.
Oh, I thought it was admitted already. 348 Yankee.
Stacy said a 344 Yankee. Were you able to identify who was in 344 Yankee?
No,
Okay. And why is that?
it's blurry.
That's the one as well. Yes. You're welcome. Looking at Stacy, the 344 Yankee that's in front of you, is that appears to be the same picture that's on the computer screen?
It looked the same.
If I blow up or enlarge Stacy, the 344 Yankee, are you able now to see the individuals that are inside of the picture? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, if you could tell us who's inside the picture now that it's enlarged.
Excuse me.
Tell us who's in the picture.
Me,
Yes. Who else?
rapper Lil Boosie,
Okay. Anyone else?
Shannon D, and it looked like the other Lil D. I don't know the other guy.
All right, so both little D's are in that picture.
That's why I said.
All right. Your Honor, this time the state would like to admit 60 to 344 Yankee.
Any objection to states 344 Yankee? All right, hearing none, it's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Next, Mr. Cole, I want to show you 164 Echo Golf Echo Hotel Echo Juliet Echo Kilo. I think before I might have said Echo India. It's actually Echo Lima. Can you flip through those and tell me if you recognize who's in these pictures?
There you go.
First, starting with Stacy Exhibit 164, Echo Wolf. Do you recognize who's in that picture?
No,
No?
no, I can't.
Why is that?
Because it's blurry. I can't see.
Looking at 164, Echo H. Hotel. Are you able to recognize who's in that picture?
Yeah, me and Young Thug.
Your Honor, this I seem like sending 164 Echo Hotel into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Hotel?
Not on behalf of Mr. Williams.
All right, it's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Okay, next, 164 Echo Juliet.
Me and Duke.
Okay. Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender 164 Echo Juliet into evidence.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Juliet?
Your Honor, may I just take a piece of that?
You certainly can.
Yeah, that's a list. Yeah. 64 EJ.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, big council finished looking at 164 Echo Juliet.
Any further objection to states 164 Echo Juliet?
Your Honor, I will object to the writing, not the photo.
Can I see it, please?
Your Honor, we do have a response.
Let me see it first. All right, Mr. Steele and Mrs. Hilton, approach, please.
Your Honor, it's 164 Echo.
Yes, it's admitted with the court's instructions.
Thank you, Your Honor. And next, who's in 164 Echo Kilo?
Me?
Okay. Your Honor, this is how the state would like to tell the six is 164 Echo.
Hold up, let me make sure they me.
Sure. Is it you?
Yeah.
All right. Your Honor, this is how the state like Tennessee States Exhibit 164 Echo Kilo is happening.
Any objection to states 164 Echo Kilo?
On behalf of Mr. Williams.
It's admitted, thank you.
And then States Exhibit
It may be
1.
published when you see fit.
Thank you, Your Honor. And States Exhibit 164 Echo Lima. Who is in 164 Echo Lima?
Me?
Anyone else?
It looked like the other background, but I can't really see her face.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender for, excuse me, State's Exhibit 164 Echo Lima is evidence.
Any objection states 164 Echo Lima.
Foundation.
I sustain it as a foundation. You can lay one more foundation.
Is that you in the picture? Is that you? Just yes or no?
What did I just say?
I'm asking you again, Mr. Copeland. Is that you in the picture?
I just said that was me.
Okay. And the person in the background are saying that you think that it's Stud. How do you think that it's Stud? Why do you think it's Stud?
Because the other picture you showed me, it was me and Thug.
Okay. Your Honor, this time the state would like to send State's Exhibit 164 Echo Lima as evidence.
I'll hold firm. Same objection.
I sustain the objection.
Do you remember, Your Honor, my apologies, this is already admitted. These exhibits are already admitted because 164 Echo itself is admitted. These are excerpts from 164 Echo.
When was 164 admitted, Christina?
That would have been with Agent Race a few weeks ago.
All right, stand fast.
164 Echo. It's like 5:15.
I have Echo 164 Echo, Echo Alpha, Echo Bravo, Echo Charlie, Echo Delta, Echo Echo, and Echo Foxtrot were admitted.
Yes. And those are all the full records of Mr. Williams, for which these pictures come from. So
Sure.
this is actually admitted.
Show those to Mr. Steele, please.
The original exhibits.
Yeah, and so that, you know, I'm so satisfied that that's from the original exhibit.
Here is the CD with his entire record, and then we start doing it.
Anything further, sir? Mr. Steele?
So my understanding, and please, if I'm wrong, correct me, but my understanding is that the entire Instagram came in under a records custodian certificate. That doesn't make it all admissible in a courtroom. It means that it's here properly and then can be described. So I'm objecting to we're going one by one. That's why we have so many. And I'm objecting to foundation of 164EL because the gentleman testifying said, I believe, I don't recognize her, or something to that effect. That's my memory.
I have a response.
Yes,
Your Honor, the evidence has been admitted, and so the
but
only,
it's still subject to an objection.
the objection could be a relevance objection, but you could publish, I literally could publish this as it shows right now and ask him who's in the picture. It's.
But if he doesn't recognize it, it's still.
So he could just say he doesn't recognize that person, but it's still evidence that can be published and it's relevant. So the only
Well,
objection
here's-
is relevance objection. Because it's admitted.
Y'all come on up. maybe publish as you see fit.
And then last thing, Mr. Copeland, looking at the computer screen, do you see the same picture that's in front of you, 164 Echo Golf?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, now, enlarging the picture, before you said, did you say that this was blurry to you?
Yeah, this blurry too.
So are you saying that you cannot see who is in 164 Echo?
I cannot see who in it on the computer.
All right, now I want to start publishing a few pictures. I'm going to first publish what's already been admitted as 56W. Looking at 56W, who's in that picture?
Me and Young Thug.
And I want to scroll in. Do you see where it says taken?
I'm not good reading.
Okay, you see the second line on that paper from the top,
What paper?
or what's on the picture? You see where it says taken right here?
This line right here?
Yeah, going over,
Right here?
yep. And going this way, do you see a year? You see a 2000 number? Yep, right there, what does that say?
2014.
Do you know that's in 2014?
Oh, okay, my bad. 2014.
All right, now I want to go down to the bottom, you see where it says text? All the way to the bottom.
This one right here?
You can't see it on there. Can you? Can you? All right, Ms. Copeland, please turn around for me. Thank you.
He told me I'm gonna turn around in the chair.
Who says it, turn around, sure?
Somebody.
All right, well, I don't think they want you to fall off. So
Okay.
just be careful not to fall off. Looking at here, what does that say?
Woody?
Okay, what else?
372.
All right.
It look like an R.
Mm-hmm. Oh, excuse me, yes.
Love.
All right.
Bye.
Mm-hmm. Okay. At Woody 372. Is that you in the picture? Is that you? Is that your Instagram name?
No, my Instagram Woody is Woody versus Woody.
In 2014, was that your Instagram name?
Not that I recall.
Not that you recall. All right. I want to go to it's already been admitted as 164 Echo Hotel.
I need to stand up again.
I have to. I'll tell you when you can stand
We're not gonna do the up and down.
up. Right here. Or if you can read it from the side, if you can. Can you, who's in this picture? Can you see it on this screen next to you, or you need to turn around?
You talking this picture right here?
Yes,
It's me and Young Thug.
all right. And scrolling down and going to the take-in, do you see that same year of 2014?
The same place as the last one?
Yep.
What?
year? Do you see that?
The same thing as the last picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. Does that say 2014?
Yes, it says the same as the last picture.
All right. And you can scroll down. All right, I don't think it's showing up on your side screen. You can turn your chair back this way. And you can sit so long as you can read it. What does the text say?
Me and my little, hold up. I don't know what they say. I thought they look like this.
You need to scroll in a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are you able to zoom in more?
They like it just a square right there.
Okay. Well, what's next to that?
WODDIE, Woody.
Okay. And do you see the same Instagram name?
Yeah, Woody 372.
All right. And again, is that you in this same picture?
What same picture?
Is that you in this picture? At
Yeah.
the top. And they call you Woody, right?
WOODY.
Okay. And what does it say next to that?
ELATT.
Okay. And what does it say next to that?
SLATT.
Okay, I know you spelled. Have you heard the term black and slack before?
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, is that what that say? Black and slack?
I guess.
All right. Let's go to 164, Echo, Juliet.
I got stood up again.
If you can't see on the side, yes. If you can see on the side, then no. Now, who is this in the picture?
That me.
And who's behind you?
They do.
All right. And when you scroll, if you can scroll down. With the taken dates, is that still the same year of 2014?
Just like the last picture.
And do you know that to be December 21st, 2014?
It just say 2014.
Is there a dash next to it? What's the number next to 2014?
12,
And what's the number next to that?
21.
All right. Now, scrolling down, are you able to see the text on that page?
Oh, damn, I can move it.
See, so now you don't have to get over here. What does the text say? No, go down to the bottom, remember reading at the bottom line, the last line,
On this?
right here. Read that entire line. All of that.
Hey,
Did I say, hey,
hey, don't.
where you reading it? Where you reading it?
You said read the line right there.
You said it say, hey, don't.
How you pronounce that word?
Let's blow it up. Let's see if you can pronounce it. Please. You can control it. Go ahead.
You can-
What you just said.
And I'm gonna object, it's not from the speech for itself.
Orally, sir.
Is that clear for you?
Don't follow me. You might get dead in.
Okay, is there a hashtag after that?
UDIGG.
All right. Now, the first word, does that word appear to be hat?
Hat.
Yes.
Is that what it pronounced?
All right. Let's go to State's Exhibit 164 Echo Kilo.
I didn't put no words on there.
Are you saying it's not your Instagram account?
I didn't see no Instagram account on it.
Okay. But you said that you did not type those words.
Not that I know of.
Please go up. Now, Ms. Cole, are you able to zoom like you've been doing on that screen?
Yeah, but they doing it on his own.
Are you able to see everything? What's the date on that same taking line that we were talking about before? Yes.
2015.
Okay. If you see a 1 and a 1 next to it,
Yeah.
is that either January 1st, 2015? Do you know?
I guess I don't.
Okay, that's fine.
If it say that.
All right. Go down to the bottom on the text. What does it say?
Same spot.
Same spot.
Woody 372. About that action.
And again, did you recall posting that picture and typing it? Or writing it? Did you do that?
I don't even recall seeing this picture.
All right, that's fine. Next, can we get 164 Echo Lee? Yes, who's in the picture?
Me?
And you said who's in the background?
It looked like Young Thug.
All right. And you can scroll into the date again?
To the who?
Not to you. That same line, what is the year of that on that taken line?
2015.
All right. And what's the number next to 2015?
One.
And what's the number next to that?
A 6.
Is that for January 6, 2015?
I guess.
Going down to the bottom, what does the text say?
Hat.
All right, go ahead.
Y'all. Hat. Hat. Y'all. Hating. Hating. Hatting. As. Follow. Stay where y'all at. And everyone else.
All right, thank you. Now I want to show you what's been admitted as Secret 368Y. N-A-Y.
Birdman,
And is that you?
Young Thug, and me.
All right. Looking at 369 Yankee.
Me and Young Thug.
370 Yankee.
Me and Young Thug.
All right, and where y'all at in this picture?
It looked like a house, a kitchen or something. I can't recall where we at.
All right. Do you know, was that your home?
I can't recall where we at.
I'm gonna go back to 369 Yankee. Where are you all on an airplane at 369 Yankee?
That's what it looked like.
I'm gonna go to 371 Yankee. Is that also you and Young Thug?
Yes.
And where are y'all at 371 Yankee?
It looked like a shooting or a clothing store.
All right. Looking at 372 Yankee. Tell Jurors who's in that picture, 372 Yankee.
Rapper Yak got it. Young Thug, Duke, me, and I can't recall his name, but I used to see him a lot.
Okay, do you know a nickname for him?
I think I just call him like OG, Big. Yeah,
Does that look like someone at OG Bentley?
yeah, I think that's his name.
That's his name.
I think so. I ain't for sure though.
You're not for sure, but does that look like the person you know at OG Bentley?
I know I see him around.
Oh, that's fair. And is that dude that far back behind you?
They most definitely do.
All right, and then that's you with a red name.
Look like me, don't it?
Does it look like you?
It look better than me now though, but
That's fair. All right, next, I want to show you 373 Yankee. I believe these are the nicknames.
Which one, madam? I'm sorry.
373 Yankee.
No,
No.
you identified 369 Yankee through 373 Yankee. They were not admitted yet.
I identified but didn't admit it.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Pay attention to something.
I'm looking here. Are you able to see him in 373?
did I ask you already with this?
I don't recall. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, or yes.
That's me, Thug, and Yak got it.
Okay. You're right. This time to stay like the admit 373 Yankee.
Any objection to states 373 Yankee?
I don't have one on behalf of Mr. Williams.
All right. It's admitted and may be published as you see fit.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Mr. Copeland, is that you in the black shirt?
Yep.
Is that Thug in the middle with his arm raised?
Yep.
And is that Yak with the plaid shirt and white?
This year got it.
Okay, thank you. Now, these pictures that we were just shown, we know that some of them were posted in 2014 and 2015. The rest of the pictures that are not from Instagram, do you know when those pictures were posted or pictures were taken?
Say that again. Can you say that again?
Sure. The pictures that were taken that we just looked at,
You show me a lot of pictures.
for all the pictures,
Okay.
roughly, do you know about when they were taken?
Is it like in general? Like I don't know what you mean.
Sure. Were those pictures taken like 2014 and 2015 when you were hanging around?
Your Honor,
Sir,
I do have an objection.
Basis.
To the form of the question, and I don't know exactly what picture.
I sustain the question.
Looking at those pictures, about how old you were when you took this picture?
Okay, which pictures are we talking about? Because it's kind of,
And I can go in order, I was trying to. So I'm gonna start with 56 W.
You gonna show me?
Yes, what about show? This picture is taken, was this picture taken in 2014?
Ask and answer.
which picture? Let's see.
56 W. And I can rephrase my question, Your Honor.
I'll sustain the question.
Mr. Copeland, approximately how old were you when you took this picture?
I don't know.
Looking at 368 Yankee.
On the couch, right?
Look at 368 wide, about how old you were when you took the picture that's in 368 Yankee.
Without due respect, sometimes I be forgetting how old I am today.
Once you understand it. Would this picture have been taken around the time you took the other picture you just saw? In 56?
I be had to count the years that I was born, sometimes to say my age today. I would never be able to tell you how old I was in none of the pictures.
I'm not asking your age.
Oh wait, oh I'm sorry. I thought I heard you ask the same question.
No, hear my question. When you took that picture we just saw, 56W, would these pictures be taken around the same time, the same year, 2014?
I can't recall when they was taken. I know when I saw certain people, I wanted to take a picture with them.
How many times have you met Birdman?
Well, I done saw him. I never really engaged in conversation with him. Now.
Was that back in 2014 and 2015 or some other time outside that time?
It was back in the day.
Was it back then around that 2014, 2015 time or before that?
It was like 20. I can't recall if it was 2013. I got out of jail in 2013. And my first time seeing Young Thug, I was with a friend. He took me around. I seen him. I can't remember if I seen Birdman that same day, but when I seen him, I asked him, "Can you take a picture with me?"
And do you believe that that's the picture you took with Birdman, or is that another picture you took with him?
Oh, I think this. I don't know. I think this might be the only picture I took with him. I don't know though.
That's fair.
You said it's weird.
No, I said that's fair.
Oh,
Let me ask you this. Looking at all the pictures I just showed you with Young Thug, do you have the same relationship with Young Thug today that you had when these pictures were taken?
what you mean?
The pictures that I just showed you.
Yeah, you keep asking me this same question, knowing I don't comprehend you when you asking me that. Like, talk to me in a way where I understand.
All right, Mr. Copeland, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 pictures right here of you and Mr. Williams. Is that fair to say?
I'm in some picture by myself.
Some by yourself and some with Mr. Williams, right?
Right.
So my question for you is, all these pictures that have Mr. Williams in there,
Okay.
Can you identify them for the record, please? Which ones you're talking, which 10 pictures you're talking about?
What he say?
he just wants me to call these numbers out for the record. And we're looking at 348
Yes,
Yankee.
yo.
I'm trying to do it in order for the record.
She said 348 Yankee.
We're looking at 348 Yankee, 368 Yankee, 369 Yankee, 370 Yankee, 371 Yankee, 372 Yankee, 164 Echo Hotel, and 168 Echo.
Get back.
All right, well.
Excuse me.
Sure. I'm sorry, can you take a break?
Nah, I said excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Looking at these pictures,
Lex, 164.
Echo Lima, were these pictures taken in and around the same time? So that's gonna be my first question.
When I took all these pictures around the same time,
Around the same year, 2014, 2015.
they should have been.
Okay. So we're saying that these are taken around 2014, 2015.
Huh?
Is that what you're saying?
I'm not being specific when they was taken. I know that these pictures right here, the one that I do recall, was taken around the same time.
All right. And what year was that? Roughly.
I don't know. I can't say what specific. I don't keep up with the days, the months, and all that. I go day by day.
Okay. Let me ask you this. So in 164 Echo Hotel, this picture was taken October 12th, 2014.
October 12, 2014.
Yes. Will all these pictures be taken in and around the year of 2014, maybe in 2015?
Objection asked and answered.
Oh, we'll give Jesse an answer the question yet.
Wait, can I answer that?
Yes, you
Can you ask me again?
can. Sure. Were these pictures He's taken around that time period, 2014, let's start there.
Yeah, like I haven't taken no like this only time. Like I don't know.
Is it fair to say that
Almost the same as the form, just rephrase.
did you spend most of your time with Young Thug in 2014?
I got to be around him.
So object to the form of that question.
I sustain the objection.
In these pictures, does Mr. Williams have blonde hair in most of these pictures?
I apologize.
The same group of pictures that we were just discussing. 164 Echo Hotel, 160.
Thank you.
All right.
Does he have blonde hair in his picture?
Is blonde and gold the same?
Do you think blonde and gold are the same?
I wouldn't just ask you that if I thought it.
Does he have yellowish color hair and all these?
Yeah, yeah.
Ms. Hilton, before you posit the next question, I have it on good authority that we need to take a break.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, how about we take a 10-minute break or thereabouts, all right? For comfort. All right, all rise.
All right, time.
Yeah, so they're gonna go to recess now, and I mean, this lady is pushing real hard. This what is it? Annie Willis or Lewis or whatever she is. She's she reaching really far, and she's just trying to put things together, forcing it. Trying to put things together.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our jury has left us.
Absolutely.
All praise. Go ahead and take 10 minutes. From recess.
This is the rapper, right? This is the rapper, right?
25. To make us buy everything and buy. Now, look how many things we wasted. Like what we had for one day, and they went right out. We didn't have all we was here for 2 days.
though we had the thing on. We are going to probably, we just talked, our conversations about the length of and duration of Mr. Copeland's testimony. So, but for purposes of today, I'm just going to recess and as soon as the jury comes out. Okay? So we'll recess for today. We'll start back up tomorrow morning, 9:30 for a 10 o'clock start time. All right? All right. Go ahead and call Mr. Copeland back in, please. All right, Sergeant, we'll summon our jurors, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
I'll do his presentation.
All right, thank you, Sergeant Ingram. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to a point in the day which might be a natural stopping point for us today. So I'm going to recess you all until tomorrow morning. Tomorrow being Wednesday, we'll start. You all need to be here for 9:30 for anticipated 10 o'clock start time. And then we'll see where the day leads us, okay? All right. Mr. Copeland, we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9:30, okay?
I can go
For today. Yeah, for today. We're done for the day.
right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah. We'll see you in the morning at 9:30, all right? Yes?
All right.
Okay, all right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, any ministerial inquiry of me at this point? Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and review our nightly admonitions. Remember, when you leave today, leave your notepads in the basket. Please do not discuss anything you may have heard at any point in time during the trial of this matter with your group as a corporate body, in individual or smaller groups. As you sit back there in your headquarters at your liberation room, as you travel back and forth from wherever you may come from in our great county, or when you're here in the courthouse, remember, it would be a violation for you to sit back in any of those spaces, either inside the jury deliberation room or outside the jury deliberation room at any point in place, and recap, handicap, or otherwise discuss anything that may have heard in terms of testimony in this case. Remember, you can only consider this case once it is totally submitted to you, and I give you instructions on how to begin your delivery process. But until such time, you're not permitted to go ahead and get, as we call it, get get a jump start on things, okay? All right. Remember, it would be a violation also for you to go by and visit any of the scenes depicted, or you may have learned about through testimony maps or other pictures that may have been admitted so far for your consideration. You cannot go by and visit any of those scenes, take any photos yourself, do any sketches, or come back and otherwise share with your fellow jurors anything that you may know about anything that's been testified. Remember, you can only consider what has lawfully been presented within the four walls of this courtroom. Remember, also, it would be a violation for you to also seek outside assistance, be it persons, reference materials, the internet, or other sources to otherwise aid and augment your understanding as to what anything you may have covered or you may have learned in this particular courtroom. Remember, you can only consider what's lawfully presented inside this courtroom. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if any third party seeks to try and contact you by any means or conveyance or communication, that your duty would be to let myself and Sergeant Ingram know immediately. Go and act accordingly. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, as I finish with you, as is customary every night, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your continued attention, and thank you for the continued patience you'll continue to give the parties on the consideration of this matter. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have anything else for me? Any other question? If not, we will see you tomorrow morning, 9:30, anticipated 10 o'clock start time. We'll see where the day leads us at that point, okay? All right, we're in recess. All rise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Our jury has left us. All right, Counselor, do you have any ministerial inquiry with me? All right, anything on behalf of any defendants?
Can I just inquire if there's an estimate of time on direct? I understand that it may be lengthy, but all week, is it 2 weeks?
I was just saying up here at the bench, y'all had the ability to listen in, but I'll repeat it. At least till the end of the week, possibly in the next week.
Okay, and the reason I asked, I filed a motion, Your Honor, yesterday morning, which is 6/10/2024. This entitled motion for correct rulings on improper objections by the state. I just want to make you aware before cross-examination. I raised 2 issues about the objections.
Is this about the, I do recall you reviewing that particular motion, and yes, we can hear it prior to.
Thank you.
Just remind